In the vast realm of digital commerce, one term that has gained substantial popularity and proven to be a profitable avenue for both businesses and individuals alike is affiliate marketing. With its ability to connect brands with a vast network of motivated individuals, affiliate marketing has revolutionized the way products and services are promoted and sold online. In this article, we will explore the essence of affiliate marketing, understand its mechanics, and uncover its immense potential as a lucrative online business model. Defining affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates or publishers, earn a commission by promoting products or services on behalf of a business or brand. Essentially, affiliates act as intermediaries, connecting potential customers with the products or services they are interested in. The mechanics of affiliate marketing. Affiliates. Affiliates join affiliate programs offered by businesses and receive unique tracking links or codes that they incorporate into their promotional efforts, such as websites, blogs, social media posts, or email campaigns. When a customer clicks on their affiliate link and completes a desired action, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service, the affiliate earns a commission. Merchants, or advertisers, are the businesses or brands that offer affiliate programs. They provide affiliates with marketing materials, such as banners, product links, or promotional content, to facilitate their marketing efforts. Merchants benefit from the increased exposure and sales generated through the efforts of affiliates. Customers. Customers play a crucial role in the affiliate marketing ecosystem. They are the target audience who engage with the affiliate's promotional content and make purchases or take desired actions. Affiliates strive to attract relevant traffic and convert it into customers for the merchants they represent. Benefits for affiliates. Passive income. Affiliate marketing offers the potential for passive income, as affiliates can earn commissions even while they sleep or engage in other activities. Once the initial promotional efforts are in place, the affiliate can continue to generate revenue from the resulting sales. Flexibility and convenience. Affiliates enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere and at any time, as long as they have an internet connection. This flexibility allows individuals to pursue affiliate marketing as a full-time business or as a side venture alongside their regular jobs. Low startup costs. Compared to other business models, affiliate marketing has minimal barriers to entry. Affiliates do not need to create their own products or manage inventory, significantly reducing the initial investment required. Benefits for merchants. Expanded reach. By leveraging an affiliate network, merchants can tap into a vast pool of potential customers who may not have been aware of their products or services otherwise. Affiliates act as brand ambassadors, reaching diverse audiences and driving targeted traffic to the merchant's website. Performance-based marketing. Affiliate marketing is a results-driven model, where merchants pay commissions only when desired actions are completed. This performance-based approach ensures that advertising budgets are allocated effectively, as merchants only pay for successful outcomes. Cost-effective advertising. Compared to traditional marketing methods, affiliate marketing offers cost-effective advertising. Merchants pay affiliates a commission based on the actual sales or actions generated, avoiding upfront advertising costs with uncertain returns on investment. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing has emerged as a win-win situation for both affiliates and merchants, enabling individuals to monetize their online presence while helping businesses drive sales and expand their reach. With its low entry barriers, flexibility, and potential for passive income, affiliate marketing has become an attractive online business model for many entrepreneurs. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, affiliate marketing is expected to play an increasingly pivotal role in the realm of e-commerce, presenting exciting opportunities for those willing to embark on this lucrative journey.